The Air Jordan 1 Swooshless is making a surprise comeback in fall 2025, nearly a decade after its original debut. This retro return follows a broader trend in sneakers where brands bring back styles much sooner than before, like the GT Cut 1, which returned just 3 years after its launch. While the Air Jordan 1st of may no longer be Jordan Brand's top priority, its influence remains undeniable. The upcoming triple white edition strips away the swoosh branding in favor of a clean, minimalist look. Full tumbled leather enhances the premium feel, while key AJ1 elements like the Wings logo and Nike Air tag preserve its heritage. Though not the most hyped silhouette currently, this refined version highlights the timeless appeal of simplicity and quality materials. Fans can expect this understated yet elegant design to return to shelves in time for the fall 2025 season.